In this video, I will show you how you can change the page portrait to landscape in Word. Changing your document from portrait to landscape in Microsoft Word takes just a couple of clicks. First, you need to open your document in the Word and then go to the Layout tab at the top of the ribbon. And then click on the Orientations and then click Landscape. This will turn your entire document to the landscape. Let me undo that. If you just want one page in landscape while keeping the rest of the documents in portrait. So for example, I'll highlight the text of the page number 4 to turn into landscape and then go to the layout tab and click on this small arrow, and under the margin tabs you will see that orientation is the portrait. You need to click on this landscape. You can see the preview as well and head to the apply to the section. Click on this arrow and click on the select tags and click OK to proceed. Then you can see that Word will automatically insert section break before and after your selection. So this way you can easily change portrait to landscape in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.